Now back to Davie Kerr, who's Makin Dae. What you hear?
Makin Dae.
That was an old saying, the old Joe That's right. At my time of life, I thought I'd retire. It's me and the wife, say crouse round the fire. Doun-by Whitockbrae, that's where I bide near me. I built a wee hoose. The wife was okay, but I had no excuse. She got her mud cons, be that as it may, lying gress on the lawns keeps growing each day. The faimly's guid, the speir for their paw, though prayin they would keep working a wall. I'd bocht an old horse to carry me hame. It could have been worse, I could have had nane. A bless and a cheer the day he was born. I rock in my chair and snooze on the worm. For cutting's hard gone. It's sick a relief to louse on my lawn. A cutter, your teeth.
Davie's very fond of very succinct poems. I'll read you one of his later on. I've just thought, I hate to read it because I like it that much.